Hey girl, why'd you flinch? He hits you, doesn't he? I'll teach him a lesson. Hey, buddy, you should never hit a girl, especially one as hot as her. You'll burn for this. Girl, these dragon claws can keep you safe on the battlefield and satisfied in the bedroom. Dragon is waiting for you.